Hello, today I'm doing the presentation of Grandfather Gandhi by Arun Gandhi and Bethany Hegdes. It's illustrated by Evan Turk. The story is written by Arun Gandhi, or at least told by Arun Gandhi about his grandfather Gandhi. This story is considered a biography and it's non-fiction. One thing that I really enjoy about this book is right here on the front cover, which is very hard to tell in the video, but in person, the clothing they are wearing looks very 3D. It looks like you could touch it and feel the texture of the fabric, which is similar throughout the whole book. At this very first page there's a letter, and the spinning wheel and the thread look very soft, and it looks like you could reach out and just touch and feel the book, which I really enjoyed that. The next thing I truly enjoyed about this book was the colors in it. The colors the illustrator used help identify like the family that they're speaking about, and just helped bring focus to who your focus was meant to be on for the characters. One part I really wanted to share as well was this page here. And I will read it to you. It says, "The next day, everyone awoke at 4 a.m. With the dark of early morning wrapped around us. We prayed. Silence filled the air. Everyone was still, but I was fidgety. The peace of prayer felt far away." And just when reading that, I could feel like what the author was trying to feel, and I think that the illustrator did a great job illustrating the feelings and illustrating how the child felt in that moment. Here's the child, and he has like this big ball of like yarn around him, and again it does this throughout the entire book. The story is about young Arun and his family moving to where his grandfather had lived, and young Arun feels like he has to live up to the expectations of being a Gandhi and living up to the Gandhi family name, and he gets angry in the book, and his grandfather teaches him that it's okay to be angry and that everyone becomes, gets angry sometimes, and he helps him through that, through the book. And at the end it has a really nice author's note here that says, live our lives as light. And the author Bethany goes on to tell about how when Arun came to speak after 9/11 happened, he told stories, and he had told and showed stories about his grandfather teaching him about anger and comparing it to electricity. And it really hit her, and she contacted him, and that's how they started this book here. And I really enjoyed it. It's just a deeper look inside Gandhi's personal life that I feel like we don't see, and I've personally never heard before. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.